Alright guys, this is a US lock. It has a best I-core in it. It's the A keyway. Best locks are very difficult to pick, and I'm gonna do it right here for you guys. I'm gonna use this pick right here and tension tool. Here we go. I've picked this lock about 3 times. 2 of them were this morning. So I'm pretty confident we can get it on film. I have not been able to pick this lock to the control shear line. There we go. See it turn? There it is. That's the A keyway. I'm going to show you guys something here. How much time do we got? Oh, we got lots of time. Great. So here's the keys to it. And you can see the differences here. One key controls the lock. And the key with the C on it is the control shear line. See how that works. There's a little bar right here. If you can watch that. This key only turns about 10 degrees and it pulls that bar in, which is what holds the I-core in. So there's the inside of that. Let's see, it's only about that far. Go back to this one. It's a pretty cool lock. I got this a long time ago from Bruno, so I really appreciated that. Good deal.